guys, today we're crashing a Roomba down the stairs. Hey guys!
Hi guys! So the boys have been asking to do this for a while. Wyatt has his little mini robot vacuum up there. Doesn't really work anymore, so he wants to crash it down the stairs. So let's see what happens. All right, are you ready?
Yeah!
Here we go. Oh, go.
Is it broken or not broken? Oh yeah, now it's definitely broken.
Yep, that's the end of it.
Bye.
All right. Was that as fun as you thought it would be?
I didn't expect it was gonna roll.
Yeah. Well, it's still in one piece.
I think still not throwing it away.
Okay. Let me see it.
All fine.
All in one piece?
The brush fell off. I could put that back. There we go.
Good. Okay, now they have the little robot vacuum from Five Below. This one's not really working either, so let's send it down the stairs. Ready? Whoop.
Okay, I'll give it a little push. Ah! We need to try that again.
All right, try it again.
Move!
There it goes. Oh!
You got it, Thea. It's stuck. Nothing broke.
This one's still in one piece.
Yeah.
Not too bad.
Not too big. Let's do it again.
Okay, go. Ready?
What are you gonna do?
3, 2, 1, go!
Let's try that again.
Okay.
Slide on. Oh, now the cover. No, no, no. Blah, blah. I need to try that one again.
Oh. All right. Still in one piece. Look at that. Things are pretty durable, huh?
Yeah.
All right, go.
What?
Oh, that lost a part. Oh,
Okay, let me give it a push. It doesn't work! Where are the legs stuck? Ah! Ah!
my goodness.
I did it. Let's try that one again. Oh, it landed. Flamingo. I don't like flamingo.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my god.
Are they all in one piece? No parts missing.
Five below. Five below. I don't like five below. Bye bye. What? Five below. I tried that one again.
Oh my goodness. goodness.
I need to try that one again. It broke. The camera had it weak. Bruh. Here, weak. Here, weak. Ah! Ah! I need to push it down.
Oh my goodness.
There are still in one single piece.
Still in one piece. All right, pretty durable. Good job, bud.
Crash it down that little stairs.